Hey everybody, this is Joel Pena with WPL. I'm going to show you how to install a three-piece method. First, we're going to cut our DFT from inside corner to inside corner, making sure we have 2 inches out to the exterior. It's already pre-cut. Then I want to use your spatula. And that's any flashing tape out there. You want to put firm hand pressure. Down, we're going to install a piece. These corners, they're already pre-cut, so you're going to fold it. It's going to give you 6 inches on the jamb and 6 inches on your seal. And just flex the 2 inches out onto your WRB. Just finished installing the three-piece method. We're ready for our window.